Hey, Social Cam, what's up? It is me once again, your humble servants coming knee bow and body bent. No, I'm just playing. I am driving. I'm downtown right now, heading back to North Charleston, and I just had to record this video to let the world know how much I love Chick-fil-A's chicken minis. They are awesome. Um, they're stupendous. They are very, very, what's the word I'm looking for? Good. Um, they're so good. Like, look at the box. Like, they're gone. There's none left. Like, I murdered the box. And it was so good. Oh my god. I was hungry, and I'm out thrifting, as I usually do. Big ups to Goodwill and the thrift store. But I'm out thrifting, and I get hungry, so I stop by Chick-fil-A, and oh my god, it was amazing. Like, those chicken minis were the best creation besides me on this side of heaven. So I just, I implore you, I beseech you to sow into the ministry of Chick-fil-A between the hours of 6 and I believe 10 or 10:30. Sow into the life of Chick-fil-A. Receive the gift of the chicken mini, and I believe that you will be indubitably blessed. That's all for now. Let me keep my eyes on the road. I love you all, and big ups to the chicken minis. Y'all have a good day. Bye.